Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're diving into a world of flavor with a recipe that's as simple as it is delicious. Grilled mushrooms. These savory delights are perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or just craving a tasty and healthy side dish. Get ready to fire up the grill and prepare for a taste sensation that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. This recipe is so easy to follow, even novice cooks can master it in no time. So let's gather our ingredients and embark on this culinary adventure together. I can't wait for you to try these grilled mushrooms and see how effortlessly you can elevate your next meal. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this simple yet incredibly flavorful dish. Let's get grilling. Before we begin our grilling adventure, let's gather our culinary essentials. You'll be amazed at how few ingredients we need to create these flavor-packed mushrooms. Here's what you'll need: 4 large portobello mushrooms. Look for mushrooms that are firm, plump, and free from any blemishes. 1/4 cup olive oil. This will form the base of our marinade and add richness to the mushrooms. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. This will provide a tangy kick and balance out the richness of the olive oil. 2 cloves garlic. Minced garlic adds a wonderful savory flavor to the marinade. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Thyme complements the earthy flavor of the mushrooms perfectly. Salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning is key to enhancing the natural flavors of our ingredients. With these simple ingredients, we're well on our way to creating a culinary masterpiece. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's dive into the heart of the recipe and unleash the magic of grilled mushrooms. First, preparation. Begin by gently cleaning the portobello mushrooms with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or debris. Remove the stems and set them aside. We'll be using them later in the recipe. In a shallow dish, whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, minced garlic, dried thyme, salt, and pepper to create a fragrant marinade. Next, marinating. Place the mushrooms in the dish, gill side up, ensuring they are fully submerged in the marinade. Allow them to marinate for at least 15 minutes, turning them occasionally to ensure they are evenly coated. This will infuse the mushrooms with incredible flavor. Finally, grilling. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Carefully place the marinated mushrooms on the grill, gill side down, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the mushrooms and brush them with the remaining marinade. Grill for another 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender and have those beautiful grill marks. With these simple steps, we're just moments away from savoring the deliciousness of perfectly grilled mushrooms. Our grilled mushrooms are ready to be the star of your next meal. Remove them from the grill and let them rest for a minute to allow the juices to redistribute, ensuring maximum flavor. Slice the mushrooms and serve them as a delectable side dish alongside your favorite grilled meats, fish, or vegetables. They also make a fantastic addition to salads, sandwiches, and even pizzas. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley or a drizzle of balsamic glaze over the mushrooms before serving. So go ahead, gather your ingredients, fire up that grill, and experience the simple joy of perfectly grilled mushrooms. Bon appétit!